If you're into building your own furniture, these table legs provide the durability and stability you need to make sure your project lasts a lifetime. These legs are made of steel for superior durability and strength, and the geometrical shaped table legs will ensure your table is steady, stable, and standing. A little bit about the specifications. The material is steel. It is 18 inches tall by 19.7 inches wide by 42.2 inches long, and it is varnish painted. The legs are made of heavy duty metal pipes, allowing a set of legs to carry a maximum weight of up to 1,000 pounds. With 4 rubber floor protectors, it can be leveled to allow you to better stabilize the legs of the desk, and all the needed hardware is included, and installation should take you less than 10 minutes.